Stocks are mixed early this morning. As I speak to you right now, the Dow is right at the flat line. The S&P is up about 0.5%. The Nasdaq is up almost 0.8%, but the Russell is actually down about 5 basis points, so just below the flat line. Month over month, German industrial production came in higher than expected at plus 2.9%. The previous release was down 2.9%. Remember, this is month over month data. The Chinese Hang Seng Index reopened after their week-long holiday and quickly plummeted over 9% today, which is the worst single-day loss since October of 2008. The drop followed a press conference by China's National Development and Reform Commission, which did not announce new stimulus measures. A lot of investors were hoping for that. Rates are unchanged on the front end, a little bit higher on the back end. That's good for the 2s, 10s part of the yield curve. We're looking at 388 on the 5-year, 405 on the 2-year, and the 30 years up 3 basis points at 433. Crude oil falls from 2 months high. Right now, crude oil is down 2.8% after climbing all the way up to 78.46 a barrel on the WTI futures contract, with yesterday's close of 77.14 being right below the 200-day moving average. Today we spiked above it and the resistance held as we quickly turned around and fell back down below $75 a barrel. This has a feel of a short covering rally these last few days, with some residual effect from the Chinese market drop, and then maybe some new shorts being initiated at that resistance level of the 200-day. Gold, silver, and copper are also lower by about 0.25%, 1.75%, and 2.03% respectively. Fed minutes tomorrow, that's going to be important. We're looking for any hawkish leanings, especially considering the double-digit rise in long-term rates since the first rate cut. Looking ahead this afternoon, we have a 3-year note auction, earnings between today and the close of tomorrow before the market opens. We have 4 companies reporting earnings. Only one has $1 billion market cap, and it's Helen of Troy Limited, which is a household and personal products consumer defensive stock. Very important distinction. This is the earnings pause before the new earnings season begins at the end of this week. Data tonight, nothing interesting. Tomorrow, more Fed speak with Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic speaking and the influential New York Fed President John Williams. And then also San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly speaks after we get the minutes from the last FOMC meeting. Also got a 10-year note auction tomorrow.